welcome back to my channel. I'm Carrie and this is Clean Eating Kitchen, where I share easy, gluten-free and dairy-free recipes using real food ingredients. And today I have another super easy Instant Pot recipe. This is part of my Instant Pot Basics series, and it's for hard-boiled eggs. And if you've never tried hard-boiled eggs in the Instant Pot, you are in for a real treat. It is so easy, and the eggs peel like you won't believe, and I think you're really gonna love this recipe. Now, a lot of people like to use the method called 5-5-5 for making hard-boiled eggs. And that means you put the eggs in the Instant Pot, you let them cook for high pressure for 5 minutes, you let them come down from the pressure for 5 minutes, and then you put them in an ice water bath for 5 minutes. Now this is a great method, but you do kind of have to babysit the Instant Pot when you use that method. So I have a different method that I like to use, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So the first step of this recipe is to add the trivet to the base of your Instant Pot. And you can use a 3-quart, 6-quart, or 8-quart Instant Pot for this recipe. Then add 1 cup of water, and do just add 1 cup so the water doesn't touch the bottom of the eggs. Next, grab your eggs and place them on the trivet until you have as many as you want to cook. You can add anywhere from 1 egg to 24 eggs, just as long as you stay below the 3-quarter max cooking line. Next, set the time to 2 minutes at high pressure and lock on the lid. Now you can leave and do other things outside of the kitchen. When the cooking time is finished, let the pressure come down naturally for 15 to 20 minutes. Then use oven mitts to carefully remove the lid, as there may be still some steam left inside. And then use your tongs to place the eggs in an ice water bath. And just let them sit for a couple of minutes so they cool down faster. And then when you want to eat an egg, just give it an easy roll on a flat surface. And you can see how easily the peel comes off from the eggs. And then you can store the cooked eggs in the refrigerator for up to a week. So thanks for watching this video. Again, I will link to my Instant Pot Basic series, where there are several recipes that are great for beginners who are just getting to know the Instant Pot, and you want some real food recipes for in your back pocket, like Instant Pot sweet potatoes and Instant Pot basmati rice. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.